Happy Saturday! Hi guys! Punta kami sa Renmark with the fam bam. So yung mama niya at saka yung kambal niya nandun na sila guys. Kahapon sila umalis. Dinala ng mama niya yung caravan nila. So kailangan nila umalis kahapon ng maaga. Kasi yung caravan di ba mahina. Dapat yung takbo hindi same yung speed ng ganito. Anyway, we will stay there today, tomorrow. We will leave Monday early guys. Kasi, are you working Monday?
A little
Not
bit.
really. A little bit? Yeah. Naglagay lang ako ng lip tint. Yung gamit ko, yung pinakita ko sa inyo kahapon, yung soft drink tint. This is from Etude House. This one. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung laman ng bag ko, guys. Ito yung dala kong bag. Gusto ko tong bag na to from Teddy Blake. Isa to sa mga paborito kong bag talaga galing Teddy Blake. Kasi sobrang easy lang niya, guys. Tapos, perfect for summer. So, ganito lang siya, oh. Yan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung laman. So, first is my Sunnies from Zaful. I love this Sunnies. This pouch is from Mary Mon. Ililive ko yung link sa description box. Ang cute niya, oh. Ito yung ginagamit ko na pouch. Ilalagay ng makeup kapag nagta-travel or not just travel, like kapag everyday naglagay ako ng makeup tapos kailangan ko siya dalhin with me. So, ito. Nakita nyo na to kagabi kasi finilm ko to.
Stay in the left 2 lanes.
Maganda yung ano niya, yung material nito, makapal. I just have my wallet. Actually, sasabihin ko sana hindi ko naman kailangan magdala ng wallet. Ano lang sana no, card holder. Tapos yung mga importante lang. Pero wala eh. Dinala ko siya. And then yung aking key clay. Not key clay. Yung aking, what do you call this, my love? Key pouch?
Yeah, key pouch.
Key
holder.
Key holder, yeah. And then, ito, yung bola ko. O, diba? Yun lang yung laman, guys. Yung bola ko, yung laman niya, mga battery ko. Battery at saka extra memory card. Though, hindi naman ako gumagamit masyado na extra memory card kasi I have 128 gigabytes dyan sa memory card na gamit ko ngayon. Pero yeah, yun lang yung laman. Tapos, sobrang easy lang niya kasi open lang siya, diba? So, kapag nag-vlog ako, tapos gusto ko ilagay yung camera ko dito, diretso lang. Yan. Tapos ganito mo siya ilalak. Ang cute, diba? Mag-apply lang ako ng konting blush. I want you to be happier. That's Holly's song.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. But I hit the road.
Guys, nandito na kami sa Renmark pero wala pa kami dun sa pagsistayhan namin. Kain muna kami dito sa Paiman's Kitchen. Right, babe?
Yep.
Yeah, that's right. Dito guys, Paiman's Kitchen. Diyan. Pero malapit na kami. Sabi nung map kanina, mga 5 minutes na lang nandun na kami. Ito yung binili ni Dan guys. Finger bun. Para daw sa mga bata, sabi niya. Oh, hala. Ano to? What's this? Ano? I don't know. 50 cents. Chocolate coated something. And then what's this, my love? Oh, that's my Kransky. Hotdog guys, Kransky. And then we got bread. Tumawag yung mama niya nagpapabili ng bread. Is it good?
That's alright.
Dito na tayo guys. Yung ano pala, pangalan Big 4 Renmark Riverfront Holiday Park. Ano to guys, mga 3 hours away from Adelaide. Naka-check-in na kami guys. Nihintay lang namin si ate kasi sabi niya ano daw kami, i-guide niya kami kung saan kami pupunta kasi malaki-laki to dito guys. May mga ano dito, campsites. Oh yeah, it's them babe. That's Ant. Yan siya guys. Ang cute. It says please follow me. Can you see it, my love?
Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Parang nandito na ata si yung kambal ni Dan. Parang nakita ko siya ba yun? Ayun. Siya nga yun. That's Ant. Nandun siya Yun. Na. Yeah, that's her, babe.
Yeah.
Running. Is that Pete? It's paint.
Where?
Right there.
Hey, mate.
So, may mga cabin, guys. Malaki siya, uy. Tapos, maganda kasi pwede mong i-park yung sasakyan mo katabi ng cabin nyo. So, what did we get, babe?
A studio.
Studio.
Be a box.
Sabi niya, dito daw kami. Ito. Cool. We're here. What number are we? So, that's C10.
Yeah, 28, she said.
28? Baka ito yung 28, babe. That's cool. Nandito na kami, guys. Let's do a tour. So, ganito yung itsura niya sa labas. Ganyan siya. Yan. So, meron tayong mga chairs din sa labas. And merong parking space as in sa harap lang, which is good. So, pagkapasok mo ng bahay, ganito yung itsura. Hindi masyadong kita kasi dark. Pero pagkapasok mo, ganito yung itsura, guys. O, yan. It's better. Nandyan yung bed. Yan. May closet tayo dito, mga cabinet. Yung bed maliit lang, pero okay lang. Uy, okay na okay lang kasi kami lang naman dalawa ni Dan. May mirror dyan. Outfit of the day pala natin. I'm wearing this top na I got from Bangkok, Chatuchak Market. And then shorts from Supre. Yan. So, yun yung bed. Maliit lang siya. May couch tayo dun. And then meron tayong table, microwave, tapos maraming mga ano. So, pwede ka magluto-luto dito. Ang ganda dito ha, in fairness. Yung pinili namin yung maliit lang eh. Kasi kami nga lang dalawa ni Dan. Tapos may fridge pa. Si ate naglagay ng ano dito. Naglagay siya ng Tim Tams at saka milk. Na complimentary. Tubig namin ni Dan. Yan lang. And then, microwave na naman. Yan. Nandito yung ano. Shower at saka toilet. Yan. So, yung shower. Tak. Okay na, okay lang. Yan. Mirror na naman. May blow dryer. May maliit na sink. Ang liit ng sink. Perfect para sa akin. Ang liit. Taga-ano ko lang. Oh. Taga dito ko lang. Under my waist level. Tapos, pagkalabas mo sa ano, sa toilet, merong maliit na room dito. Ito, oh. Oh. Maraming beds actually. Kasyang-kasya ng mga tao dito. Uy. Okay na okay siya. Tapos may sarili pa siyang door. Okay lang. Comfy ba? Oo, uy. Okay na. Nice yung room na yan. How much did we pay for this?
170, 180 a night.
180 a night? Okay na guys. Tapos kung tutusin, 2 kwarto. Or pwedeng
Maybe less.
like kami dalawa. What if like some people stay here? Do we have to pay more? Or
No.
that's it? That's 180. Okay na, uy. So 180 niya. Sabihin natin ano kayo? 6, 'di ba? Okay na, okay lang. Or pwedeng kahit 10 kayo tapos yung iba dito matulog sa couch. Tapos pwede magluto. Ay wala nga lang silang lutuan. Hindi pala. Ay, meron lutuan yan, babe. Meron pala. You can cook here.
Yeah.
Ito oh. Hindi nga lang tayo marunong yan. Okay. Nagdala din kami pala ng mga camping chairs. Yan. Port tower. Be careful with my lappy, babe, because my hard drive is there. Nakapagbihis na ako, guys. Suot ko yung parang cover up from Dross Lily ata ko to nakuha. And then, yung ano ko lang, yung swimwear ko, H&M na, ano siya, anong tawag dito? High-waisted ba? Tapos, ito din. Galing yung H&M. Ito. Oh. Alright, let's go, people! Asa yung sunnies ko? Babe, where are we going, babe?
Home. You ruined the holiday already.
Where are we going? Wait, be honest to them.
We're going home.
Guys, punta kami sa reception. Nahulog ko yung nawala yung wallet ko. Sabi ko, ay, naiwan ko sa reception. Nahulog ko daw sa car park. Sabi nila, may nagbalik dito sa reception. So, nandito. Sabi ko, my gosh, yung wallet ko. I got it back. Buti na lang may nagbalik. Nahulog daw sa car park. Ewan ko, bakit nahulog? Give us a tour, my love.
Bed, kitchen, dining, toilet. Oh, that was a tour.
Kitchen. Toilet, guys. At saka bathroom. And then dito.
Chaka bathroom.
It's not a chaka bathroom.
Is it chaka?
I said, no, at chaka. It's like, and bathroom. See? Yan.
To a babe.
Yan. What's this here? Oh, fridge. Oh, cool.
There's that scroll over. That's what about it.
She's making sandwiches. Thank you. Eli doesn't like the ham and the tomato.
Who?
Eli. So he's just eating the bread and the cheese.
Because she was complaining about Dad and how he stank. So then I thought I'd just get her a new bath.
Archie, what do you want to say to the camera?
I love my whole world.
Oh, that's it.
I love
I-
the whole world.
That's lovely.
Ava, what do you want to say? Eli, what do you want to say to the camera? He's just punching his face.
Lucky.
Oh, no, don't hurt yourself.
Do it again, you're on camera.
No.
Do it. No. Boo.
Thanks, Papi.
I love
We got them from home.
No, you're just making it up.
Archie, what do you love? What do you love, Eli? Eli, what do you love? His belly.
Ninja turtle.
Ava, what do you love?
I want to do it again.
Jay, do it again.
I love my belly.
Your belly?
Yeah.
No, and then you gotta rub your belly. Rub your belly. That's it.
Punta kami sa cabin nila, Eli. Galing kami dun sa caravan nila. Bisita-bisita sa mga cabin. Danny, stop! Good job, Eli. Ito pala yung water park nila, guys. Tapos, dun sa kabila, nandun yung pool. Dun. Maliit lang. Hinihintay nila na malaglag yung tubig. Andun yung dalawa ay. Yeah. Ready? Balik na kami dito, guys. Lalabas na naman kami. I can see them by yung step, ni Dan, step sister. Magdi-dinner daw kami mamaya.
Do you want water, babe?
So, thank you. Dinner kami sa pub. Siguro ito na lang susuotin ko, babe. It's like a romper. Not romper. Parang two-piece ba? Ito yung upper, ito yung bottom. Galing Bangkok, Thailand! Paligo lang ako lang saglit. Tapos, labas ulit. My gosh. Pagod ako eh. Gabi na, guys, mga 10:15 na ng gabi. So, matutulog na kami, guys. Sobrang pagod na pagod kami ni Dan. Sobrang tagal ko natulog kagabi. Yung mama nga niya, sabi niya, mag-chill pa daw sila sa labas. Dumating kami galing dinner, mga 9:20 siguro. Tapos sabi nila, mag-chill pa sila sa labas. Pero hindi kami lumabas kasi pagod na pagod kami. Inayos ko lang yung thumbnail ko. Tapos, pinablish ko yung video ko. Ito pala yung galing kay Zaful na pantulog na hindi ko sinukat nung nag-try on haul video ko. Pero yeah, alam ko kasi nakasyang-kasya siya. Pero yeah, good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Guys, it is the second day. Nag-breakfast kami kanina. What time is it now? It is 9:58 ng umaga. So, nag-breakfast kami mga 8:30. Inulit ko yung sinuot ko kahapon kasi konti lang pala nadala ko. Alam niyo ba nung nag-pack ako, sobrang tagal ko pa natulog nung nag-pack ako, ang dami kong pinak na swimsuit. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong swimsuit yung gagamitin ko. Ang dami kong pinak na swimsuit na yung mga ganito, hindi ako masyadong Yung dala ko lang is 2 cover up kasi iniisip ko, magka-cover up lang ako lagi kasi magsiswimsuit ako lagi. Ay, wala. Kahapon nagpunta kami ng dinner. Nakaloka. Nagpunta kami sa pub. Kapag sinabing pub, kami ni Dan, sobrang casual lang. As in, like chinelas na casual ba. So sabi ng mama niya, punta tayong pub, nakabook na ako. Paglabas namin ni Dan, kami dalawa, naka-chinelas lang. Kasi wala kami dalang sapatos. Kasi nga, diba, resort. Like, you know. And nasa country pa kami. So, parang niisip namin yung mga tao dito, mga chill lang. May dress code ang pub nila, guys. Hindi lang siya basta-bastang pub. It's actually like the Renmark Club. So, hindi siya like basta-bastang pub. Pero yung sabi niya kasi, pero sabi ng mama niya, pub, sabi ni Dan, bakit hindi mo sinabi na, ano, pero nakapasok naman kami, pero wala namang problema, may mga tao nga doon naka-chinelas lang. Kasi nga, parang hindi siguro yung isip ng mga tao dito ba na, parang wala naman sigurong ano, parang kasi hindi naman siya fine dining, alam mo yun? Chill lang kami, so after breakfast, yung mga bata magnanap. So, kami lang yung couple na, ay no, meron pala. Sasabihin ko sana kami lang yung couple na ano, walang baby. Pero yung ano niya din, yung stepsister ni Dan, kasama niya din yung girlfriend niya. And wala silang baby. Ang bagal ng internet dito, as in, ang bagal talaga. Meron silang mga scooter dito, guys, at saka bike na pwedeng ano, i-rent. Mag-rent kami ng bike nandun. Yung 2-seaters na bike. Ito yung bike, guys. $10. Half an hour lang. You go there, Eli. With Daddy. Okay. This is cool. You pedal, babe.
We're gonna race you, sunshine.
Bigyan ka ng helmet kasi dapat may helmet. Si Danny boy.
Honk, honk, honk. Oh,
Hit on the face.
ouch.
It's alright. Okay.
Okay, Tristy's first, then we'll go after.
We'll follow you. We will follow you.
Let's put the handbrake down.
Do you know how to do this, babe? Mayus ka dyan, babe?
How come it's not moving?
We're not moving.
Tristan, it's not moving. What's wrong?
Punta daw kami kina Nani. Punta tayo kina Nani. Where are we going, babe?
Nannies.
You miss mommy already?
There she is.
Here she is.
Mom!
Oh, they're not
went
here.
food shopping.
Oh, yeah. Nag-shopping sila, guys. Nandun yung chairs namin. Nagdala kami ng chairs. Nilagay namin dyan. Do you know how much is, do you know how much they rent for the caravan area?
I don't know, maybe $30 a night.
Mura lang, guys, kapag meron kang caravan sarili.
Is that caravan?
Ganyan. I know, yeah. Para parking lang naman ang caravan. Oh, ang daming caravans dito, oh.
It's all probably fitted up with
That's a massive one, yeah. Maraming caravan dito, guys. Okay ka lang, babe? Are you fine? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Exercise?
Easy.
Ganda ng view, guys, oh. Nice. Ang ganda. And they have some water sports here as well, my love.
Yeah, water skiing.
Water skiing.
Some people doing this river.
Yeah, pwede ka mag-chill dito, babe.
This is how Ollie Wines broke his bloody shoulder
Oh, no.
doing this.
Can he still play?
There you go, it's got the water.
Yeah.
Not for a while.
May mga cabin dito, guys, sa harap ng tubig. So next time kapag nag-book kami, kasi gusto bumalik ni Dan, next time kapag nag-book kami, alam na namin kung saan yung location. And we have a chest right here. Lumipat kami sa malaki, guys. Ayan, agay. So pwede kaming dalawa ni Dan na mag-pedal. Does this actually work? Oh no, it's just yours.
I'm steering, but you can pedal.
Okay. No, I don't think my pedal's working. See?
Your pedals work.
Does it? Okay, so I'm actually helping you? Oh yeah, I am. Okay. Yep. Doon sila ilay, lumapit din sila sa malaki kasi gusto niya na malaki. Are you okay? Bakit? Maganda to kasi may shade. And it's the same price? $10?
Yeah.
$10? Same price. So dito na kayo, guys. Malaki. Tapos pwede pang kapag meron kayong dalawang baby, pwede dito sa harap, oh. Ang cool. Good morning, guys! It's our last day. And gumising lang kami kasi uwi na. Kasi ano, we have to be home before 1. Will you miss this?
We'll be back.
We'll be back. Check lang natin yung mga sulok-sulok. Wala naman kaming nilagay sa mga drawer eh. Mayroon silang Bible pala, oh. Sure ko wala dun, pero check pa din natin. Just in case. Okay, wala. Bye, house! Bye! So, yung ano ni Dan, brother, step-sister niya nandyan. Katabi lang kami dalawa. And yung ano, camp kitchen. Diyan kami nag-dinner kagabi din. Sobrang lapit lang sa ano namin, cabin namin. Tapos sa labas pa na, may duck, babe. Careful. Tapos sa labas pa ng ano namin, is that Ava? Ano? Sa labas pa ng kitchen, merong laruan ng mga bata. Ito. Tapos marami pang cabins dito. Yan, guys. Kapag pumunta kami dito next, which hindi siya malabo kasi gustong-gusto ni Dan dito. Masaya kasi mga bata dito. Ang dami kasing ganap para sa mga bata. So, hindi sila nabubur. And ang saya kaya tingnan na masaya yung mga bata. See? Si Inday, oh. Tapos ano pa, very safe pa siya, guys. So, nakaka-bike lang yung mga bata dito. Nakakatakbo-takbo. Nandyan yung pool at saka water park. So, next time, yung magandang kunin na cabin is yung mga cabin dito, oh. Tapos dun, tingnan nyo, may mga batang nagba-bounce-bounce. Dun, guys, may bounce-bounce dun. So, next time, dito maganda kunin, oh. Kasi malapit sa pool, malapit sa water park, hindi din ganun kalayo sa kitchen. Tapos ano siya, riverfront. So maganda siya.
I'll go for the guy and
then you check out?
Yeah, we'll check it out.
Ito yung reception. So malapit lang din sa reception yung mga cabin na gusto namin kunin next. So dito kapag nag-check-in ka, bigyan ka nila ng number para sa car mo kasi you can bring your car doon malapit sa cabin mo. Yun na yung ano mo, entrance exit na code. Tapos mag-check out lang si Dan saglit, guys. Tapos uwi na tayo. We've been driving for how many minutes?
Half an hour.
Half an hour, guys. And nandito kami sa bakery na to na ang cute-cute. Nakita namin to nung papunta kami dito. Tapos sabi ni Dan, balik tayo dyan. Dyan tayo mag-breakfast. Is it open?
Yeah.
It looks really cute.
It does.
Cute. Meron silang mga pastry. Parang gusto ko kunin yung isa sa mga to. And I need my coffee as well. Thanks.
There's inside, out the front.
Yeah. It's so nice in here.
It is. It's lovely out there too.
Yeah.
And we should get a bit of a breeze, and it's
Right.
really pretty with the lawn and the roses out there.
Nice weather outside as well.
Yeah. Do you think he has sauce on his guys?
No.
No.
Can we put sauce on the side just in case? Or
I'll give you a little squeeze.
sure, thanks. That'd be great.
Just in case.
I don't think so, but
Yeah.
just in case.
Never know.
Thank you.
There you go. And I'll charge you for it, and then I'll make a coffee and bring it out for you.
Perfect, thanks. Dito kami sa labas, guys. Ang ganda ng view dito, oh. So, ito yung labas nila. Yan. Kaupo lang ako dito sa isa sa mga table. Tapos, meron din silang laruan dyan kung may kids kayo. Malapit na kami, guys. Ito na yung routine namin. After road trip, hinugasan yung sasakyan. Kasi maraming mga bugs, ganun. Tapos, ano din, dusty. Pagdating namin sa bahay, maglo-laundry lang ako, guys. Tapos, I need to edit a video as well kasi tonight wala pa akong video. Parang na-edit ko siya halfway, hindi ko siya natapos all the way. So, kailangan ko tapusin yung video na yun para may video tayo tonight. And Meron din kaming appointment ni Dan sa ating OB mamaya. That's why kailangan namin umalis ng maaga kanina. Pero that's basically it, guys, sa video na to. So, I hope na-enjoy nyo, guys. And thank you so much for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo yung vlog. Very tan na ako. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one tomorrow. Be good, guys. Bye! Mwah!